后来，就伫中国的解放军大动作甲咱抢渡的同时，咱甲美国买武器有新进度，有军事maj种专业来协调，讲咱的空军防熊专案第一架 F-16V 布拉克7空的战机，伫美国试飞成功。另外，美国的总统川普讲，中国针对台湾所发动的军事演习已经20年啊，而且过去的规模也阁较大，所以伊并无担心局势变化。
随着引擎声 ，F-16V 战机顺利飞去地顶。军事maj种专业报道，这架战机就是咱国空军防熊专案头一架新型的 F-16V， 今日早起伫美国南卡州的洛马公司厂区试飞成功。是讲即马拄好当着中国发动新一波绕台军演。有部分的分析认为，军演的背后，甲美国最近宣布对台军售可能有关系。美国也有关注军演的动态。
Well, I have a great relationship with President Xi, and he hasn't told me anything about it. I certainly have seen it, but he hasn't told me anything about it, and I don't believe he's going to be doing it.
美国总统川普访问到相关问题时，讲中国国家主席习近平无事先甲讲，严格伊未烦恼局势变化。佮讲中国伫台湾的附近军演已经军演20档啊，而且过去的规模更较大。
As of the latest count from the Taiwan Defense Ministry, the second largest that we've seen that they've reported to date. The largest was back in October 2024, when there were 153 aircraft that were spotted.
虽然川普对中国的军演老现在在。严格军事专家也想要提醒美国，中国真正拍过来咱台湾的可能性。
The Nazis did the similar type things. They'd have exercises in the eastern part of Germany, right on the Polish border. Same kind of thing is happening here. So what the Chinese could potentially do is use these exercises as a cover for this kind of an operation.
美国参议军委会主席维克尔也发文章表示，美国生产的速度必须要赶紧应用对台湾的军售，而且透过总统拨款等等措施，帮助台湾建立关键军力。日本媒体报道，俄罗斯将会对明年元旦到3月初1，伫日本北平的附近举行军演。北韩的领导人金正恩前几天啊，更加亲身监督战略飞弹试射。南韩的军方判断，北韩伫年初可能会个试射飞弹。中国、俄罗斯甲北韩的军事动作，也互规个东亚局势升温。
Hello， 大家好，我是林文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻的 YouTube 频道。